All right, here you go. Can't really push this. It won't go down. All right, get a tool like this. All right, just pull that out. This is the good side here that's working, and it's folded all the way down, where this one does not fold all the way down.
Probably try to take the zip tie off.
And one thing that we're noticing is that this looks like it's broken here. With the coil, where the spring is showing here, where this other side looks like it says. So we're gonna have to take it off. This kind of just popped off. It's supposed to put tension right in here. Maybe that clip. Looks like there's another clip right here. Alright, you just need to snap that out here. Just kind of pull this. Okay, so it looks like this is going to pull it off forward here. So now that cable is snapped, this automatically is now touching and the seat is locking. So I guess I could call it a day like that, but I have a new cable, so there, it'll go all the way down. But before, it wouldn't go all the way down. Okay, so now I need to remove this plastic thing. Since it's broken, I'm just going to pull it off, but I don't want to try to pry it off and mess this cable up. So I'm just going to break it. Okay, I'll come back. I'll hit it with a hammer. Alright, so it's pretty much shot out after I broke it. So it looks like. Okay, so here's the broken wire right here. Right there. And this one's gonna have to slide in. And I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna get under this plastic shroud here. To get under it. First I'm probably gonna have to hook this. And then this is supposed to be held in place. Let me get a better angle. Right in there. So I'm gonna have to break that off as well. Some little plastic. Break that clip as well. Okay. And I have to lift that off as well. Okay. I'll first break this off and then try to. Alright. Coming from this angle here, I'm gonna use maybe a screwdriver to break this clip off. After I break that off, I'll somehow pull this one off. I'm gonna end up hitting it from this way, hitting this to break it. We'll see how that goes. Loose here. And now I just need to get that last part out. It's still attached here. Try to hit it and break that cap off. So I'm holding onto this wire here to line it, keep it lined, and then I'm gonna try to hit it on the bottom. Try to knock that thing off here. I got that off with the little tap with the hammer. It clicked this thing off from in here. So since I have slack here, I have slack right here. I want to tap that in first. This is going to have to come underneath here and I have to push this in here somehow. And I'll go ahead and put this in. Slide that in. Alright, so I took pictures and kind of slid this plastic thing here. And to get that in, let me get some light. So pretty much I had to kind of just pull it back and it snaps in there into the notch. And then to get this thing on, I was able to kind of move it and then slip it on here. So it looks like we're in business.